Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, do make sure that you do share this video. So, you guys, following the previous episode of Utando Nestembu Seleko has been trending on all social media platforms, you guys. TikTok, to be specific, where multiple content creators came out to give their opinions as to what might be happening to Umisam Selegu, and they have made a lot of allegations, you guys, especially this one. Unobulelo Fox went out there and did this video which she captioned Ikona Indoe of Ngom Selegu, you guys, and according to Unobulelo Fox, Uchi Umisam Selegu looks like someone who knows that his time is up. He looks like he's about to kick the bucket, which is why he is busy out there trying to, make peace with his family, his wife, and of course his children. Nombulelo Fox Uti condition Yamusam Selegu, now that he suffered a stroke and everything, it looks like maybe he knew that he was actually, he is going to cross over into the other side, you guys, and people in the comment section were coming in, supporting what she's saying, and of course making their very own allegations, a lot of allegations, you guys, and others were saying that Umisam Seleko probably and definitely knows that his time is up, as they have alleged that Utwele Ngenyoka to enrich himself, and that is part of his, agreement. They told him that at a certain year, a certain time, he is going to pass away. They were saying that he actually signed that contract, so which is why he was, acting the way that he is, apologetic to his wife, being a present father to his kids, this and that. And now, you guys, also on the previous episode of Tenderness Tembu, people were shocked after Umisam Seleko opened up about his relationship, his strained relationship with his dance sister, his blood sister rather, who we saw on season 1 and 2. She appeared, I think, maybe on quite a lot of episodes back then, but then she disappeared. People were wondering what was happening between Umisam Seleko and his only blood sister, because they were very close. So Umisam Seleko talked about his sister rather, and said that it seems like his sister might have consulted someone more like someone who's traditional in Inyaga, or a prophet, who then might made allegations that Umisam Seleko is responsible, is bewitching her sister, Otwele Ngaye, you guys. And Umisam Seleko revealed that he and his sister's relationship at the moment is kind of strained, and people put one and one together, and they came up with their own allegations that Umisam Seleko probably Utwele with her sister to gain wealth, because there has been multiple stories, you guys, allegations by blogs and people on social media to Umisam Seleko Utwele. Well, Umisam Seleko, seems like he saw the comments, he saw, those thumbnails here on YouTube, or with him, of course, on the thumbnails with snakes, and he decided to respond, you guys. And Umisam Seleko, one thing about him is the fact that he has a very sense of humor, so he addressed those allegations, and he said, he went onto his Instagram page, you guys, and posted a photo of him, and he only captioned it and said, Mselegu EP inyoka yakho, translated meaning, Mselegu, where is your snake? Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts regarding this whole Mseleko Utwele Ntontoni snake, this and that and that? Please do engage them with me in the comment section. Do make sure that you share this video, guys, so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one, and may the God Lord just continue blessing you all. Bye.
Okay, angifuna uku-assume ne, but I feel like Umusa, he's giving someone who knows that his time is coming. It is the end for him, because the way bekangakwazi nokubheka uAbonge ngakhona, he couldn't even look at his wives when they were confronting him about indaba yalo msebenzi kanye no number 5. And the fact that like this guy is crashing out Life Jive on TV, he's crashing out and he just doesn't know what to do. And the only thing that makes sense to him is to finish up in Dabaga number 5. Kodwa mina umbuzo wami uthi yini engakajahele, because there's no way when you know ukuthi perhaps your time is up, you're gonna wanna fix so much knowing very well ukuthi isimo asivumi, because manje iy'nkomo eziyi-50 sizithola phi, azi very well ukuthi financially the household is in a bit of a mess, it's in shambles, some of the wives are contributing financially. I man, khona nje into of ngomusa, and I don't know. And I get that the show, yes, was shot last year, right? But there was an interview earlier on this week on Newsroom Africa where he was talking about his tembu, but physically he was not looking okay. And yabona nale ndaba yokuthi akazwani nosisi wakhe, because he's saying that usisi wakhe watshelwa umuntu ukuthi perhaps, you know, khona nje oku off laphayana. Yes, they didn't go into details with it when he was speaking to Usne, but nyasola ukuthi the rumors that have been circulating as well around chemical engineering are definitely part of the reason why perhaps why him and his sister are not getting along at the moment. I don't know, man. Like something is very off with Umusa at the moment. Something is very off ngalo number 5 wenu, and I just feel like something is brewing. We might not be privy to that information, Mzumbe, but if uhlala close to Mzumbe, ngicela nisitsheleni, because I'm now just building up my own theories, because I don't know what's going on with this man, but it's giving, it's my last day on earth, okay?